Hello everyone, I welcome you to Constec Academy. This lesson is brought to you by Master Moses Saturday. This where we have stopped in our previous lesson. We were able to write a module to get the folder path. This is where we have stopped and we are able to achieve that. This is what we are able to achieve. When we click here, it will open the dialog box for us to select the location of where our report will be kept. So without wasting much time, let's go back to what we are coming to learn today. So today we are coming to design a login form. So come to the insert menu, click on it, go to user form, click on it. Now this is the user form. Position it as you like. So I'll position it here. That's good. Now the username has its properties, so we want to give it a name. So we want to change it to login. Some people can say login form. Okay, let's change what is here. You can give any name to it. For you to achieve that, you go to caption. So we come here, change it to, I want to write we welcome you. You can choose to write whatever you want to write over here. Okay, and you can change the caption to whatever you want to do. Now let's expand the form. Now let's change the color. You want to use a white color. That's perfect. Now go to this, open your web browser with an internet connected. Go to storyset.com and come to the search button or the search locate placeholder and you just search for login. Okay, login, and you just press the enter key. Now you use the scroll bar to scroll down to see the user interface of what you want to. So for my tutorial, I want to use this. I want to use this. So you can decide what you want to use. So immediately I hover over it, I'll just click on download and I'll download it as a PNG file. Click on it and the download will be started. Now after you finish downloading, launch your PowerPoint application. So I'll go back to the what I've downloaded. I'll just left click and send it to the PowerPoint application and drop it here. That's perfect. Reduce the size. Perfect. So now let's go back to our user form and then we will look for the toolbar and then we go for the image holder. You click on it and you drag it and draw an image. That's perfect. Now let's change the back color to suit the original interface. Let's change the borders style. We don't like the border style to be none. That's perfect. Now what we want to do now is to go to the PowerPoint application and copy the image. So Ctrl C to copy and come back to the Microsoft Visual Basics and go to picture and then Ctrl V to paste. So Ctrl V to paste If it's not able to do it again. Control C to copy, and then come here, Control V to paste. That's perfect. Now we want to change the picture size mode. We don't want to be in this size mode, so you click here and you put it at stretch. That's perfect. Now we want to put some labels, so draw a label here, and the label will bear the name of the school. Okay, change it to be transparent. So now we go to caption, and then I'll write the name of my school, Constec Academy. Now I want to change the color. I want the color to matches with what I have on there. So this color is good. Okay, now let's change the fonts. Let's change the fonts. Let's go for bold, and let's make it 10 and click on OK. Let's change the font again. Let's go to font family and change it Times New Roman. So Times New Roman, and click on OK. Let's increase it to 12 and see. So resize it. Okay, that's perfect. That's good. So we'll copy this, Control C to copy, Control V to paste, and then we'll put it here, and then we'll change the caption to welcome on board. You can put any image, any text, depending on your choice. Okay, you can align it. That's good. Now let's click here and copy it. Position it well again. It should be okay. Go and copy, Control C, Control V to paste. Now change this one, the caption, to user ID, and resize it and put it here, and then click here and stretch this one. Now copy this, Control C to copy, and then Control V to paste. Then change this one to password. Now resize it. Check it if it's not aligned, so you position it well. Okay, now let's go to the test box. We are going to draw a test box for it. Okay, test box. Let's go there and change the property to transparent, the back star to transparent, and then you're going to give it a border, so you are going to border color, and you're going to change it to matches with the color that you have given to it. That's good. Let's run this form and see how it look like. That's nice. Let's close it. Let's go back to the form. Now come here and change the font. The font should be bold, and change it to 10 and click on OK. Okay, that's perfect. Now let's run this form and see. Okay, that's perfect. Close it. Click on the form again. Now let's That's perfect. So we have changed it to transparent, and then the border style we will change it to single so that we have that color over there. Let's run the form and see. That's perfect. That's perfect. That's perfect. Now we'll just copy here, Control C to copy, Control V to paste, and then we'll put it there. Let's check if it is aligned well. That's perfect. So position this one well. Now we are going to put our you can position this one nicely depending on your preference. Okay, now we are going to put command button. Click on command button, draw the first one, and then change the color to the color that we are using, and then the caption should be login. Now the font should be white, the font color should be white, and then you make it bold, the font to be bold, and make it 10. Let's see. That's perfect. That's perfect. That's perfect. We don't want to change the transparent. It should be opaque so that the color will come. That's perfect. That's perfect. Now we'll just reduce it, and then we'll Control C to copy, Control V to paste. We paste one here. That's perfect. You paste another one here. That's perfect. That's perfect. That's perfect. So here we'll change it to the command button. We'll change it to clear. We'll change to clear, and then we'll change here to exit or close. So depend on you, exit or you write close. Let me use close. Sorry. So here will be clear. Then you select this one, and this one will be close. Now there's one thing we need to do here, is to come here and go to the property, the command button. Now we will change this here to CMD, and we write the login. Please make sure you write the same name, because if you don't write the same name, you get an error message. Very important. Come here and change here to CMD, and write the clear. The same thing, write the name as it appear over here. You come here and you also change the name to CMD. The CMD means command button. Some people use button, so it depends on you. In the coding aspect, you have to refer to those command button that you use. So here CMD close. That's correct. Let's run the form. This is our form. It's looking nice. It's looking nice. Now we want to do something. Now we want to click here and change the character, the password, to the character of the password will be in hash. So control. So you wanted to achieve this, you just press the text box 2, and then you go to password character, then shift and locate for the asterisk, shift and number 8, and you put one asterisk over there. Let's run the form and see. Run the form. So here when I put it to be asterisk, that's perfect. That's perfect. That's perfect. That's perfect. Now we don't want to waste much time in the video, so we will be pausing here and we will continue in our next video. Thank you very much. Make sure you save your work. Control X to save your work.